The numbers tell a stark story. Our planet is in trouble and the evidence is all around us. AI could help reduce global greenhouse gas emissions by up to 4% by 2030. This might seem like a small number, but it represents a significant step forward in our fight against climate change. This reduction is equivalent to the entire annual emissions of Australia, Canada, and Japan combined. Imagine the impact of eliminating the carbon footprint of these three major countries. It suggests a new tool might help us tackle our carbon footprint. AI can optimize energy use, predict maintenance needs, and even help design more efficient systems. For centuries, human progress has been tied to burning things: wood, coal, oil, gas. These resources fueled our growth, but at a tremendous cost to our environment. Now our planet is warming, sending out distress signals. The ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, and droughts are becoming more severe and frequent. Ice caps are melting, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather events are more common. These changes are not just statistics, they are real and happening now. This is not a distant future problem, it is happening now. Wildfires rage across continents and hurricanes devastate coastal communities with increasing frequency. We humans have altered the atmosphere and changed the climate. Our industrial activities and relentless pursuit of convenience have led us to this critical juncture. Our actions, driven by desires for comfort and growth, have led us to this critical juncture. The conveniences of modern life come with a hidden cost that we can no longer ignore. The Earth has always changed, but the speed of this change is new. Human activities have accelerated natural processes, pushing the planet to its limits. Climate change is a global problem requiring global cooperation. Nations must come together to create and enforce policies that will mitigate the damage. It touches every aspect of our lives: food, cities, industries, travel. The ripple effects of climate change are felt in every corner of the globe. The intricate web of modern civilization depends on a stable climate. Our agriculture, infrastructure, and daily lives are all at risk. Traditional solutions, while well-intentioned, move too slowly. The urgency of the situation demands faster, more innovative approaches. The problem is accelerating faster than our responses. We need to act now with the tools and technologies at our disposal. We have international agreements, national policies, and individual efforts. These are crucial steps, but they are not enough on their own. These are important, but not enough. The scale of the crisis demands something more, something faster, smarter, and more comprehensive. We need to harness the power of technology to create sustainable solutions. We need a breakthrough, a new way of thinking, a new set of tools. This is where innovation and creativity come into play. Perhaps this is where artificial intelligence can step in to help its creators. AI has the potential to revolutionize our approach to climate change, making our efforts more efficient and impactful. For years, we've managed our environment with outdated methods, relying on practices that were established in a different era. These methods were designed for local problems, not global challenges. They were effective in their time, but are now outpaced by the scale of today's issues. Regulations on factory smoke cleaned some city air, but didn't stop global warming. The focus was too narrow, addressing symptoms rather than root causes. Our old tools are like using a small bucket to empty a flooding ocean. They are simply inadequate for the magnitude of the problems we face today. Environmental impact assessments and international negotiations are slow. Bureaucratic processes often delay action, making timely responses difficult. By the time solutions are implemented, problems have often worsened. The lag between decision and action can be detrimental. Technology evolves, populations grow, but our methods lag. We are stuck in a cycle of using outdated approaches for modern problems. We're solving 21st century problems with outdated tools and mindsets. This mismatch hinders our ability to make meaningful progress. Past efforts like the fight against ozone depletion showed cooperation works. However, those successes were simpler compared to today's multifaceted issues. But climate change is more complex, tied to our need for energy. It requires a holistic approach that considers economic, social, and environmental factors. Incremental changes aren't enough. We need transformative change. Small steps won't suffice. We need bold, innovative solutions. Our economies are built on consumption, valuing growth above all else. This growth-centric model often overlooks environmental sustainability. These forces resist change, requiring more than good intentions. Overcoming entrenched interest demands persistent effort and strategic action. We need powerful, new capabilities to see problems clearly and implement solutions effectively. Advanced technology and innovative thinking are crucial. Our old environmental habits are proving insufficient for the new reality. It's time to embrace new strategies and tools to address the challenges of our time. A new kind of intelligence is emerging: artificial intelligence. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but a real, tangible force that's reshaping our world. AI is a powerful analytical tool, not sentient robots or all-knowing computers. It's a sophisticated system designed to process and analyze vast amounts of data. It processes information at a scale and speed unmatched by humans, enabling us to make sense of complex patterns and trends. AI sifts through mountains of data from satellite sensors and smart meters. This data is crucial for understanding our environment and the changes it undergoes. It finds subtle correlations, builds complex models, and offers new insights. These insights can lead to breakthroughs in how we approach environmental issues. AI transitions from technology to a game changer for environmental challenges. It helps optimize renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. It provides evidence-based insights for decision-making, ensuring that policies and strategies are grounded in solid data. AI can predict wildfires, optimize shipping routes, and reduce emissions. These applications are just the tip of the iceberg. These improvements have a significant impact when scaled up. Imagine the potential if AI-driven solutions were implemented globally. Climate change involves countless variables and uncertainties. The complexity of these systems can be overwhelming. Human minds struggle with such complexity, but AI thrives on it. It can analyze and predict outcomes with a level of precision that we simply can't match. AI models intricate systems, simulates interventions, and helps choose effective strategies. This can lead to more effective and timely responses to environmental challenges. AI can be a powerful ally in our quest for a sustainable future if guided wisely. Together we can harness this technology to create a better, more resilient world. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are vital for our future. They offer clean power, free from carbon emissions. However, they face the challenge of intermittency. AI can make renewable energy more reliable and efficient. It analyzes weather data to predict sunshine and wind patterns. This allows grid operators to anticipate supply and manage electricity flow. AI optimizes wind turbines and solar panels for maximum energy capture. It detects maintenance needs, reducing downtime and improving output. Imagine a smart energy grid managed by AI, balancing supply and demand. AI diverts surplus energy to storage systems, reducing waste. This optimization makes solar and wind power more competitive and dependable. AI accelerates the transition away from fossil fuels, building a clean, resilient energy system. Humans are prodigious consumers, extracting vast resources and generating waste. Our model is largely linear: take, make, dispose. AI offers ways to manage resources more efficiently, transitioning to a circular economy. AI tracks resources through supply chains, identifying inefficiencies. In water management, AI detects leaks faster than human inspections. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production to use less material and energy. Smart cities, guided by AI, optimize traffic flow and waste collection. AI designs energy-efficient buildings, adjusting systems based on conditions. AI transforms industries, designing durable, repairable, and recyclable products. By reducing resource demand and minimizing waste, AI helps us live more sustainably. Our planet's ecosystems are diverse and beautiful, providing essential services, but they are under threat from human activities. AI serves as digital eyes and ears, monitoring vast areas. AI detects illegal deforestation and predicts poaching patterns. It helps protect wildlife populations and track animal movements. AI empowers conservation efforts, providing early warnings and insights. It helps monitor coral reefs, track plastic pollution, and restore habitats. AI enhances our ability to safeguard the planet's natural heritage. Feeding a growing population is a major challenge. Current agriculture has a significant environmental footprint. AI revolutionizes farming, making it more productive and sustainable. AI-powered drones and robots identify weeds and apply precise treatments. Sensors and AI predict water requirements for precision irrigation. AI monitors crop health, detecting disease and nutrient deficiencies. AI reduces food waste by optimizing logistics and demand forecasting. By making agriculture efficient and less damaging, AI ensures food security. AI plays a crucial role in safeguarding our planet's resources. AI offers immense potential but must be used ethically. Transparency in AI development is crucial for trust and accountability. Collaboration across disciplines is key to developing effective AI solutions. AI must be inclusive, benefiting all of humanity. The goal is a sustainable and just future for everyone. The journey of integrating AI into sustainability is underway. AI predicts wildfires, optimizes shipping routes, and accelerates material discovery. AI designs energy-efficient buildings and monitors biodiversity. Individuals can support ethical AI development and advocate for responsible policies. The future is shaped by our choices today. AI offers a chance to understand our world better and manage resources wisely. Let us embrace AI with foresight and a commitment to sustainability. The path forward requires human values and AI working together.